Rob, I think you're going to like this next paragraph. Can I read it?
It's kind of a bargain. Oh, yes, absolutely.
All right, Rob, you'll like this one. During his disciplinary hearing, Blakesley testified he engaged in similar misconduct on at least 10 other occasions that year, and he randomly chose the locations where he deposited the Pringle cans containing his feces. He also specifically denied having knowledge that the parking lot in question belonged to Haven of Hope when he threw the can from his vehicle. Apparently, this is just a thing that he does randomly.
So his defense is
recreational Pringles poop can. That's a new thing.
He just likes driving. He just likes driving around with Pringle cans full of poop and throwing them randomly around.
And this is his defense, right? He's saying, I'm not targeting the victim's advocate. I just happen to throw poop randomly. And I
need to ask the next logical question, or I don't know if it's a logical question, but why? Right? Assuming somehow he didn't know it was the center.
He says
he just picked random. He said he does it for stress relief.
Mm-hmm.
And we couldn't think of any other methods to relieve stress.
Well, it's like Rob says, if you're feeling stressed, go make something. Rob makes pens. I make leatherwork.
That is what Rob says. That is what Rob says.
Number two.
Cannot be denied. Cannot be denied.
Nope. Do not take my words and justifies Pringles pooping.
Rob approves of this. It is a arts and craft made by a loving maker who wants to just share his art and creations with the world for free, nonetheless. Rob.
Nope. That's not what I meant. I meant a lot of things. I didn't mean that. Nope.
I mean, of all the hobbies for this guy to take up, this is one of the weirdest. And I mean, there's some questions I have, at least, as to how he made this particular product. Did he open the empty Pringles can and just directly into it? Or
I wonder if he chose what to eat specifically
that
would influence the poop.
This is so bad.
As part of his artistic expression. I think today I'm feeling like Mexican. No, Japanese is more the way to go for this motion.
And there's Taco Bell, which would, I don't know that the Pringles can could hold Taco Bell.
So I'm like, is he fishing these things out of like the toilet to load them in there, or
nope, right in the can?
Well, I guess Pringles is probably not going to hire this guy to be a spokesperson.
One would assume.
I wonder if he used the same kind of Pringles. Was it always like the barbecue chip? Was it the same every time? Or did he pick the flavor of chip as part of the artistic milieu? Did he eat the chips to generate the poop that he pooped into the can?
I am so mad at you right now, Kurt. I'm so mad because this is making the artistic expression argument. Like, nope. This is just a jackass lawyer who was just being a jackass lawyer. Oh my God.
I hope he was avoiding spicy flavors.
Oh my God. That's so bad.
I'm here for the creative arguments.
Just like what? Oh my God! What if he had curry? What if he had curry?
Oh man, curry would be just like. The problem is, I don't know, like how waterproof are these cans?
Why are we here? Why is this where we are?
Because we're past 2 hours and we're talking about a guy who pooped into a Pringles can.
This is no place. This is not a place. We don't.
So one of the issues that came up at this hearing was whether or not that this reflected on his ability to practice law, or whether this was something that was completely unrelated. And they note, we adopt the finding of misconduct and expressly find that his conduct adversely reflects on his fitness to practice law, even though that conduct is not expressly prohibited by another rule. Now, I would have actually been
shitting in a can.
I would have been kind of startled if they did have an express prohibition against this.
I know of no rule against the shitting in a can, Rob. I remember reading that rule of ethics.
Also, KPT with a winning comment here.
Rob's pen is the wrong color for this?
That sort of brownie orange.
Mm,
We're about to get the finger.
mm.
Rob is annoyed. All right. All right. So, what is
Maybe
it?
maybe Rob. Well, I can't believe I was going to say this, but let's go for it. I think Rob should put some poop in some epoxy and make a pen from that. I think that would be really good for the color is for the stuff.
So we
Rob,
are getting the
Rob,
finger here.